Hey guys, today in this video, we are going to talk about how to lock board view in Monday.com. So if you're using Monday.com and if you want to have a board that is locked, just follow this video and you will be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log in to Monday.com, and from here, all the work will start. So after logging in, it is going to land you at this home page. And from the home page, you can see there are a lot of boards that we are working on. You can also see these boards right here. But what you need to do is you have to open a board that you want to lock. Now, for example, if I am working on this board and I need to lock it, so what do I need to do? Uh, I just need to see that all the things are here. And after going through it, I can click here. And these are not just designs. This is actually a gateway through which you can do magic into this board. There are so many options, so many alternatives, and so many prerequisites that you can use to make a lot of good changes, a lot of stupendous changes to this board. So when you click it, you need to come down and you need to go into the settings. And from here, you have to go down here on change board type. Now, this is where every prerequisite of this video will be met. Now, there are two things that you can do. You can make either the board shareable and you can change it to private. There are three categories of a board. One is a main board, the other one is a shareable board, and the other one is a private board. In order to lock a board, what do you need to do? You need to click on change to private. It's going to tell you about some things that's going to happen when you change this board to private. Private boards are only visible to the subscribers. People who access this board without subscribing will no longer have access. So it's telling you what's going to happen, and it will lock the board right after that once we change it to private. And we are given two options. Choose whether to invite items assignees to this board. We can invite it or we can don't invite them. That's completely up to us. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see that this board has been completely locked. There is a lock icon here that you can see. And when we go here, this board is private, visible only to subscribers. So this board has been locked and it will only be visible to those working here on this board. So this is how you actually lock a board on Monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. I will see you with more videos.